Hello dear students, good evening. In this session, we shall discuss about rock quality designation or determination. Rock quality designation RQD is the measure of the degree of jointing and fractures in a rock mass, measured as a percentage of drill core in lengths of 10 cm or more. High quality rock has an RQD of more than 75%, low quality of less than 50%. In 1967, D.V. Deere proposed RQD to provide a quantitative estimate rock mass quality from drill core logs. Drill core logs, these we can collect the sample of rock by drilling and collecting the rock sample with the as a core means solid sample with core barrel. The rig bores will be used to collect the cores of the rocks. RQD was originally introduced for use with core diameters of 54.7 mm, drilled with a double core barrel. By using double core barrel, the core sample can be easily collected and very systematically collected, and we can keep in order. You can see on the screen the core is collected. From top you can see the one solid piece is the rock is more strong, so only one piece we got, that length is 38 centimeter, and next length is 17 centimeter, and here less than the 10 mm number of pieces are found at the third level, and next is one piece we got of 20 centimeter, and at the last 43 centimeter of one core piece we got. Like this we can assess the rock quality by getting the core sample with the length. This we can calculate by the formula RQD, total length of core run, is equal to 200 centimeter. Here 200 centimeter of core we have drilled, and here we can solve the problem, or we can assess the percentage of RQD. RQD is equal to summation rock pieces more than the 10 centimeter divided by core run total length into 100%. So here, as per our data, RQD is equal to 38 plus 17 plus 0 plus 20 plus 43 plus 0. So the total length of core run is 200 centimeter. So you can see here the total length, you can see 200 centimeter, and 38, 17, 0, 20, 43 and 0. That's why RQD is equal to 38 plus 17 plus 0 plus 20 plus 43 plus 0 divided by 200. This is the total length of core run into 100%. So RQD is equal to 59%. The answer is 59%. If it is 59%, it is fair, it is okay. So like this we can find out the RQD. In table it is shown RQD percentage. So less than 25%, the geotechnical quality. If it is RQD percent is less than 25, that will be very poor. 25 to 50 poor, 50 to 75 fair, 75 to 90 good, 90 to 100% excellent. So with these terms we can judge the rock quality. So limitations of RQD. What are the limitations? RQD gives no informations of the core pieces less than 10 centimeter. Excluded, that is, it does not matter whether the discarded pieces are earth-like materials or fresh rock pieces. This gives wrong values where joints contain thin clay fillings or weathered metal. Within the rock masses, sometimes the clay fillings also will be there, sometimes weathered metal will be there. That information will not give, so that may give wrong values. Third point, does not take direct account of joint orientation. It is very difficult to sometime it is difficult to orient the joint direction. So this is about the RQD, rock quality designation or determination. Thank you.